it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1963 Triumph TR3B Roadster. So very, very late production side curtain car. This is a TCF series, which is the most desirable, the most valuable. 2.2 liter engine, full synchro transmission, and these were produced alongside the TR4. The TR3Bs were just kind of using up the leftover body shells, and but they were getting the later transmission and engine fitted. So super powerful combination, best driving of the side curtain cars. So pretty rare car here. It's a TCF second series TR3B, really desirable. Signal red, black interior, matching red hardtop, factory hardtop, 4-speed, 60-spoke wire wheels, chrome luggage rack. So a very nicely optioned car here. Good colors, good options, and very desirable factory hardtop fitted luggage rack, wire wheels. This is an older ground up restoration. We purchased it from its owner in, I believe, Colorado. He completed a ground up restoration on this car, I think about 10, 12 years ago. The car's still showing pretty good. Good body and paint. I wouldn't call it absolutely perfect, but the still shines great. Pretty decent gaps all the way around. Michelin ZX radials, 165 on those 60-spoke painted wire wheels. But you know, if you look at the undercarriage photos, this car had a body off the chassis nut and bolt ground up restoration, so a lot to be said there. The car's totally done, totally gone through. We're going to be posting a driving video of this car next week. We're just a little overwhelmed in the booth here trying to get a lot of cars photographed, and then we're going to move on to the driving videos. So have a look for the driving video next week. Really lovely nose on this car, never been hit. Looks really nice and straight with a great fitting grille. But you know, paint was done, chrome was done. I believe this is a really nice, good condition windshield. Do another slow walk around here. Yeah, have a look at the undercarriage photos. You can see the body was taken off the frame. All the frame was rebuilt, detailed nicely. While we're back here at the trunk, let's take a look in here. Yeah, aftermarket chrome luggage rack. In the trunk, it looks like it's upholstered properly. Comes with a bunch of goodies. There's a header, there's books, tools, spare bits and pieces. Side curtains are over here. That is the soft top frame. I don't think a soft top's been fitted with the with this really rare factory hardtop in place. As you can see coming down here. Yeah, pretty good paint, pretty good body and paint. I mean, I'd give body and paint like an 8, but still very presentable, very glossy, decently applied. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So black upholstery, piped in white, which is correct for a signal red car. You can see here, dash was done, gauges, all the upholstery back here is brand new, all been restored. Door panels, seats are trimmed in matching quality vinyl. All the original instruments you can see, which is nice. Usually the temp gauge gets changed out and replaced, but it's got all the original gauges. But really cool TR3B Roadster in really good colors. Really good door fit there. So yeah, these cars, as of the last year or two, they've really jumped up in price. I think everyone was just not paying attention And today they are a nice little soft after piece by Triumph enthusiasts. And if you check out the Hagerty market rating scale, they've just been jumping the last 18 months. Quite a desirable little car today, just because they've got so much character and some cheeky looks there. But yeah, have a look at engine bay pictures, have a look at the undercarriage. Like I said, we're going to be posting that driving video. We've got a ton of driving videos to do in the next week or two. But here it is. This is our 1963 Triumph TR3B sports roadster, signal red, black, 4-speed, matching red factory hardtop, 60-spoke painted wire wheels wrapped with Michelin ZX radials, chrome luggage rack, pretty nice older ground-up restoration. Everything's done on this car, so it's very good value, especially being a very late TCF series TR3B, red, black, wire wheels, hardtop, really nicely optioned. www.kurttannermotorcars.com